Om Tamasama Jyotirgamaya, lead us from darkness to light. Hi, young friends. Today we are going to learn about trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, so let's start. So, what is complementary angles? Okay, so two angles are said to be complementary if their sum equals 90 degree. So, when sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, then we can say they are complementary. So, in right angle ABC, in this triangle B angle is equal to 90 degree. So, A angle plus C angle is equal to 90 degree, because you know the angle sum properties, that is A angle plus B angle plus C angle equal to 180 degree. Okay, and you know here B angle is 90 degree. So, A plus C angle equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree, that is equal to 90. So, A plus C angle equal to 90 degree. So, here A angle is equal to 22 degree given and C angle equal to 68 degree. So, 22 degree plus 68 degree is equal to 90 degree. So, 22 degree and 68 degree are complementary. So, the complementary angle of 22 degree is equal to 68 degree, and complementary angle of 68 degree is equal to 22 degree. Okay, next. So, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Here angle sum properties: A angle plus B angle plus C angle is equal to 180 degree. Okay, and let C angle equal to theta degree, then A angle plus 90 degree plus theta degree is equal to 180 degree. So, A angle equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree minus theta. So, A angle equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree, that is equal to 90 minus theta. So, A angle equal to here 90 degree minus theta. So, if C angle is theta, then A angle is equal to 90 degree minus theta. So, A angle and C angle are complementary. Okay, so next. So, here two triangles are there, but the same triangle. Okay, when we take A angle as reference angle, then in this triangle ABC, BC is your perpendicular. BC is your perpendicular, and AB is your base, and AC is your hypotenuse. Okay, for C angle, BC is your base, AC is your hypotenuse, and AB is your perpendicular P. Okay, so sin A angle is equal to what? You know, sin A equal to P by H. So, here P is BC and H is your AC, and sin here A angle is your 90 degree minus theta. This is 90 degree minus theta. Okay, is equal to BC by AC. Okay, in the same triangle, but when we take C angle as reference angle, then cos C equal to how? Is equal to BYH. We know BYH. So here B is your BC, B is your AC. Okay. So cos C angle, you know, theta. So cos theta is equal to BC by AC. So now you compare this equation and this equation. Equation 1 and 2. You see the right sides are equal. Okay, so we can write left sides are also equal. So sin 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. Okay, so next, so same triangle for angle A, P is BC and base is your AB, hypotenuse is your AC. For C angle, base is BC, AB is your perpendicular, AC is hypotenuse. Okay, so take trigonometric ratio 10 of angle A is equal to BC by AB. BC by AB. You know 10, that is P by B. Here P is your BC and B is your AB. So 10A is equal to BC by AB. And 10A angle is your 90 degree minus theta. So 10 90 degree minus theta is equal to BC by AB. Okay. For this triangle, for angle C, you see cot C is equal to, you know, cot for C angle, you know, base by perpendicular. So here base is your BC and perpendicular is your AB. Okay, and you know C angle is theta, so cot theta is equal to BC by AB. Now you see in this equation and in this equation, compare these two equations, then we have right side equal, so we can write left side also equal. So therefore 10 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta. Okay, you should remember this. Okay, next, BC is your P, perpendicular AB is your base, AC is your hypotenuse. For angle C, base is your BC and perpendicular is your AB and hypotenuse is your AC. So now we take trigonometric ratio sec. So sec A, you know sec is your hypotenuse by base. So sec A is equal to hypotenuse is your AC by B is here AB. So AC by AB, and sec A angle is your 90 degree minus theta. So sec 90 degree minus theta is equal to AC by AB. Similarly, in the same triangle ABC, for angle C, cosec C equal to, you know what, H by P. So in this triangle, H is your AC and P is your AB. So cosec C angle, you know, theta. So cosec theta is equal to AC by AB. Now you compare this equation and this equation, then compare them, then you get right sides are equal. So you can write left sides are also equal. Therefore here sec 90 degree minus theta is equal to cosec theta. So you should remember this. Okay, so next, so here complementary angles, you should remember all the complementary angles. Okay, so sin theta is equal to cos 90 degree minus theta, and cos theta is equal to sin 90 degree minus theta. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 degree minus theta, and cot theta is equal to tan 90 degree minus theta. So you remember this, sin theta is equal to cos 90 degree minus theta, and cos theta equal to sin 90 degree minus theta. So this sin and cos, and here tan and cot, then sec and cosec. Okay, so sec theta equal to cosec 90 degree minus theta, cosec theta equal to sec 90 degree minus theta. Okay, so next, so in this triangle ABC, A plus C angle equal to 90 degree, you know they are complementary. So C angle equal to 90 degree minus A angle. Okay, here sine, here angle C is complementary to angle A, so sine C equal to cos A. Okay, so you know C angle is 90 degree minus A, so sine 90 degree minus A equal to cos A, cos A. Okay, similarly you can write tan 90 degree minus A equal to cot A, sec 90 degree minus A equal to cosec A, cos 90 degree minus A equal to sin A, and cot 90 degree minus A equal to tan A, and cosec 90 degree minus A equal to sec A. Okay, you should remember all these complementary angles. Okay, next, so one problem we now solve. See example 9. What we have to do now? We have to evaluate this tan 65 degree by cot 25 degree. Okay, and you know the complementary angle cot A is equal to tan 90 degree minus A. Okay, so you can write cot 25 degree is equal to tan 90 degree minus, here A is 25, so 90 degree minus 25 is equal to tan 65 degree. Okay, so now you put the value of cot 25 degree in term of tan 65 in term of 10. Okay, so tan 65 degree by cot 25 degree, so tan 65 degree remains same, and here cot 25 degree you can write in term of 10, that is tan 65 degree. So here tan 65 degree, tan 65 degree cancel, and you get 1, value is your 1. Okay, so next, here so that is equal to right side. Okay, so left side is equal to right side, we have to show this left side is equal to 1. Okay, so we should write tan 48 degree in term of cot. Okay, and tan 23 degree in term of cot, then yes tan 48 degree you can write cot 90 degree minus 48 degree, okay, into 10, we can write cot 90 degree minus 23 degree, and 10 42 degree remain same, and 10 67 degree also remains same. Keep it same. 10 42 degree and 10 67 degree, okay. Then you can write cot 90 degree minus 48 degree, 42 degree, into cot 90 degree minus 23 degree is equal to 67 degree, okay, into here 10 45 degree 10 42 degree into 10 67 degree, okay. And that cot 42 degree and 10 42 degree are reciprocal. So if you multiply them, cot 42 degree into 10 42 degree, rearrange them, okay. Then cot 67 degree into 10 67 degree, okay. As these are reciprocal, cot is reciprocal to 10, and here cot 42 degree is reciprocal to 10 42 degree. Here cot 67 degree is reciprocal to 10 67 degree. So their multiplication give one value, okay. So you can write here this multiplication value is equal to 1 into here cot 67 degree into tan 67 degree. This also gives us one value, okay. So 1 into 1 is your 1, that is equal to RHS. Understood? And then next question number 3 is 18 degree, where 2a is an acute angle. Then find the value of a. We have to find the value of a, okay. 2a is your acute angle. So let's do. So this is given 10 2a equal to cot a minus 18 degree. So we should write here 10 in term of cot, okay. So we can write, here we can write cot 90 degree minus 2a, okay, is equal to right side remains same, a minus 18 degree. Why? Because cot 90 degree minus a equal to what? 10, okay, 10a, this we know. So here 10a, here a is there, so 90 degree minus a, here 10 2a is there, so cot 90 degree minus 2a. Understood? So now see what the side, okay. Here 90 degree minus 2a, this angle, and a minus 18 degree, both are acute angle. So we can write they are also equal. So we can write 90 degree minus 2a equal to a minus 18 degree. So now solve this equation. So 2a you take right side and 18 degree take to left side, then 90 degree plus 18 degree is equal to a plus 2a. Okay. Now see 90 degree plus 18 degree is your 108 degree, and a plus 2a 3a. We can write 3a equal to 8 degree also. So a equal to how much? Now a equal to 108 by 3. That is equal to, you cancel 3 3 ja 9, then 3 6 ja 18. So a angle is your 36 degree. Okay. So next. So thank you. Very dear young friends, arise, awake, and stop not until the call is reached by Swami Vivekananda.